Hey everyone, this guide covers how to use your Sony WS1000X M6 headphones for phone and video calls, answering, ending, and initiating calls with built in control. To make a phone or a video call, connect your WS1000X M6 to your phone via Bluetooth and place the call normally. Audio will route through the headset. To receive or end a call, double tap the right ear cup touch panel. To reject, hold your finger on it. For video calls, ensure the headset is selected as the mic and speaker in your app settings. Step 1. Power on the headset. Ensure your headphones are turned off and disconnected from any devices. Turn off your headset by pressing the power button on the left ear cup for 2 seconds or more until the blue light turns on. Disconnect the headset from the power source if it is connected. If you are connecting for the first time, press the Bluetooth button, power button for 7 seconds or more until you hear the notification sound. Pairing. Step 2. Connect device to headset. Connect your WS1000X M6 headphones to your Samsung phone via Bluetooth. Make sure the phone uses HFP, not HSP. On your Samsung phone, open settings, then tap connections and select Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth on if it is already. Wait for WS1000X M6 to appear under available devices, then tap it to begin pairing. If prompted for permissions, allow them. Once connected, the headphones will announce Bluetooth connected. If prompted for password, type 0000. In the list of paired devices, find WS1000X M6 and tap the gear icon next to it. Make sure the toggle for calls is turned on. This enables the HFP profile. Also, make sure media audio is turned on if you want to listen to music. If calls is turned off, the headphones won't work properly for phone or video calls. Close the settings and test by placing a call. Audio should now route through the headphones. This ensures your headset uses the proper hands-free profile HFP needed for calling features like mic input and call audio. Step 3. To receive a phone call. When a call comes in, the headset will ring and the blue light will flash quickly. Double tap the touch sensor on the right ear cup quickly within 0 to 4 seconds to answer. Speak normally, the headset's microphone pick up your voice without needing to adjust them. Double tap again on the touch screen to end the call. If you are listening to music, playback automatically resumes after the call ends in most cases. To reject a call, hold your finger on the touch sensor panel until you hear a short tone. Step 4. To make a phone call, make sure your headphones are connected via Bluetooth. Open your Samsung phone, dialer, or any call app, example WhatsApp, Google Meet. Place the call normally, the dial tone will play through the headphones. Your music will pause automatically when the call begins. Adjust volume during the call by swiping up or down on the touch sensor panel when the call ends. Double tap the panel to hang up. Music playback may resume automatically. Step 5. To make a video call, connect the headphones via Bluetooth. Start your video call in the app. Ensure WS1000X M6 hands-free is selected as both speaker and microphone in the call settings if needed. Talk normally, the headphones mic will pick up your voice. Use the NC or AMB button twice if enabled in the app to toggle the mic on or off during calls. To enable microphone settings on Sony Connect app, open the Sony Headphones Connect app, tap on your WS1000X M6 from the list of connected devices. Go to the System tab. Scroll down to find microphone on or off during calls or similar settings. Toggle the switch on to enable microphone control. Optional, you may also find a toggle to enable or disable the notification sound that plays when the mic is muted. Using call feature using head gesture. Step 1. Enable head gesture. Open the Sony Headphones Connect app, tap on your WS1000X M6 from the device list, go to the System tab, scroll down and find Head gesture settings. Toggle head gesture to on. Allow any permission if prompted. Step 2. During incoming call. Nod your head, answer an incoming call. Shake your head side to side, reject an incoming call. Important note, ending a call using a head gesture is not supported. To end the call, you must double tap the touch sensor panel on the right ear cup. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.